If you guys haven't gotten this Red Aspen Fulfilled palette, this is literally, I think, my 4th one I've bought. They are pricey, and I think that's what kind of deters people is the price, because it is, I think it's like $90. This is literally my everyday palette that I've used for so many years. I think I first found out about them in 2020 when I started doing press-on nails, because they had press-on nails, and so I first ordered it because I earned like a bunch of points from selling press-on nails. So I bought this because I thought, well, whatever, it's free, I'll give it a go. Literally became obsessed and have not stopped using it ever since. I have very sensitive eyes. This is like the only palette that I can actually use that does not make me have an eye rash. So that's why I keep using it, because I have super sensitive eyes. Everything makes my eyes water or gives me rashes or just freaking burns. And this is the only one that does not. So I like to go in with this color, and this color, and then just put this into the crease. And guys, this lasts literally so long. Like, I've been using it since 2020, so it's 6 years. And I bought 4, but it's only because I only ever use the same colors over and over again. So if you're not constantly using the same colors like I do, then you probably wouldn't have to buy 4 in 6 years. But for me, I use the exact same ones every day because I'm boring. So that's why it's always just those 3 that I run out of. Like, here's my freaking life. Here's my last one. So you can see I always use this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Those are like my go-tos. And I still have a little bit of each, but then I completely ran out of that one. And like without that one, I just feel like I cannot function. I can't do it. It's just the best color ever. It has a nice amount of warmth. I tend to go really, really cool toned, and I pull like ashy really easily. So when I'm trying to do like a look in my crease and it just goes gray, and I'm trying to get it to be just a nice neutral, like tan, warm color to make my blue eyes pop, this is the only one. So then I go into like this color here, which is called Comfort. I'm going to tell you this right now. People say, oh, wait till you hit 40, you're going to be thriving. You're not. I'm just going to be your friend. You are not. 40 is actual crap. I've had so many issues since I turned 40. Like skin issues and freaking body issues and ovary issues. Like, it's just not good. I don't know who is thriving at 40, but it's not me. Okay, then I go in. See how pretty that is? It just adds just this oof, so good. I go in with like a little dome brush like this. I go in with this and this. And my eye hurts really bad. It's because I put glitter, I think. Oh, my face hates glitter unless it's the Mario. Makeup by Mario, their like original palette was the only one that I can wear. This is literally so sore. That does not hurt my eyes. If I use any other glitter, it's over. So I kind of create my first wing with this little combo here. And I just kind of start building up the wing from the underneath, just like that. And then it's already kind of giving me my base. Then I go in with Home. I literally do my whole entire makeup look with this, okay? Go in with Home. And this is what I create my wing with. I only go halfway because I have hooded eyes. If you go all the way in, it makes your eyes look really beady and small. So you want to keep your eyes looking open and long versus this tiny little eye. I never understood what my grandma used to say when she said, oh, I hate my beady little eyes. I was like, what's she talking about? And then as you get older, your eyes, like, they get smaller. I don't get it. Why? Maybe it's because my face got fatter. This is what nails are for. If you don't have any, get some. Into this color right here, right in your inner corner. That's gonna brighten you up. Okay, look, I've done all of this with this palette. Like, that's why you need this one, because it's just so good. And then we're just gonna go into this one today. This is called Smile. Some nice little sparkles. And we're just gonna pop that very gently over my ouchy eye, because I don't want to do anything that's gonna hurt it today. But I still need to have a little bit of something. Gonna wipe off that brush, make sure I add a little bit of Comfort and Purpose right into my crease just to define it. Go into Smile, add a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna take that underneath. In the very inner corner, I go in with this Fenty Shadow Sticks Diamond. This is in How Many Carats? And then I just go over the very inner corner. Just like that. So pretty. Okay. And I kind of just like to pull it in into that little corner. Take the Flower Beauty Eyeliner crayon. This is in the color Moonstone. This is what's gonna make, sorry, I can't like not make an ugly face doing that. That makes your eyes just pop. I'm gonna try this one. I haven't used it for a while. I've been using Shuramura, but lately it hasn't been like doing much. So we're gonna go back to the long comb and see if that's gonna do something for me. Nope, it's not doing crap. This is the Shuramura one. It's good for rounded eyes, but I don't know, lately my lashes just suck. This is Cils Booster XL. So first, you're gonna do this because it's actually a lash conditioner. So it conditions your lashes. I swear, when I don't wear makeup, my lashes suck because I'm not using this every day. And then when I start wearing makeup again, because I'll go stints where I don't wear any makeup for a while. Whenever I have these rashes flare up, I've literally been using this for so many years. Like, I don't even know how long. Maybe since I was in my 20s. And now I'm 40. So a really long time. I think they did change the formula at some point. Maybe it's just me. It really is so good though. Then on the bottom, I always go in with a brown mascara. This is the YSL. I don't know what it's called. Oh, Lash Clash. But it's their brown one. I feel like it's a little bit less like intense. When you have like brown down there instead of blue or black. Then it like defines it without being like, whoa, mascara. So pretty. I love it. It's a great size and you basically have every single color that you need. Like, it's that good. So I'm gonna finish off my makeup. I do have a separate video for my brows because I get a lot of questions about my brows. And I hope that you guys, I'll be back when I'm like all done. To finish off the entire look, my makeup's almost done. I just go in with this. This is a Pixie Clarity Mist. I'm obsessed. It's actually like a skin mist, like it's good for you. So it's really good if you have like acne prone skin, which I do. See how pretty the eyes look? It's just enough sparkle, but not too much. So if you want like a subtle sparkle where it's like, oh, there's a little bit of a glow on her eyes, but it's not like whoa in your face sparkle, this one is perfect. You can do your entire look with one palette. That's how you know it's a winner. I don't want to have to get multiple palettes. I just want one. And like that literally is, it's so flattering, so great for everyday use if you're me. And I love the fact that I don't have to use a specific liner. Like I literally just use the whole palette for everything, even my inner glow. And I hope you guys found that helpful.